giggles.
Come to the water park, splash and play. Numbers are coming one by one today. Down the slide they laugh and shout. Let's count together, here they come out. Number one, I'm number one, here I come. Sliding down, whee! Here I come. One bright ball, look and see. Number two, I'm number two, coming through. Splashing water, woohoo! Two little ducks are swimming by. Number three, I'm number three, happy as can be. Sliding down so happily. Three beach balls bounce around. Number four, I'm number four. Sliding some more. Splash, I landed by the shore. Four little fish are swimming free. Number five, I'm number five, feeling alive. Down the water slide I dive. Five colorful rings are here. Number six, I'm number six, doing fun tricks. Splashing water, what a mix. Six little stars shine so bright. Number seven, I'm number seven. Splash to heaven, sliding down at number seven. Seven tiny shells beside the sea. Number eight, I'm number eight. Isn't this great? Splashing through the water gate. Eight little bubbles float up high. Number nine, I'm number nine. Feeling fun, watch me slide down the waterline. Nine little stars are shining bright. Number 10, I'm number 10. Here I come again, sliding with my number friends. 10 colorful balls are waiting to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted all our numbers again. Splash and slide, what a day. Learning numbers is fun to play.